Good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you. Am I audible to all of you? Very good evening. Yes, yes. So today we are going to take arithmetic and DI section both for your exam. Okay, so both of the things covered in this particular lecture, and I have taken one application based caselet for the practice. Okay, so that before your exam you will get good revision here. So I want all of you to quickly join in. Yes, all of you quickly join in, share the session with your friends. Yes. The pain, yes, yes. Very good evening. So guys, quickly all of you join the session and share it with your friends also. Okay, good evening, good evening. So I saw yesterday I had given one simplification based question for your homework, and many of you tried that as well. Okay, Sanket, yes, yes, Sanket, very good evening. Arun Raj, good evening. Yes, very good evening all of you. So how are you all? Pawan, okay, Pavan from Nasik, okay. Sandeep, good evening, very good evening all of you. So we are going to take arithmetic question revision, because yesterday class we couldn't take much of the arithmetic, right? We had taken maximum of simplification, quadratic, and along with that we took questions based on arithmetic as well, but very few questions on arithmetic we could cover. So today's class we are going to take arithmetic and one DI based question. Okay, so let us begin with the first question over here. Let us begin, guys. First question based on the average in front of you. Can you try this question? Let me see how many of you are able to do this question over here. Yes. So all of the concept I tried taking different ones, so that before your exam you will have good revision here. Janvi, very good evening. Kanchan, very good evening. Yes, yes. I can see many new people have joined. Very important. Yes, definitely. So maths class is maths section weightage is really lot, guys, and this is something that if you are getting the answer you will be sure about your exam results. Okay, yes. One of my paid batch students, she has scored full marks in RBI assistant exam, which was for which the scores are just out. Yes, so if you are just mastering or working upon your foundation, I really don't think that these questions will be challenge for you. Just follow whatever is being taught in the class, and there are certain different types of patterns or the question that you have to attempt. Mishra is saying D option. Arun Raj is saying D option. Yes. Parth, very good evening. Very good evening. Can you try this one? I got two answers in this. Arun and Mishra are getting. If anyone else is getting the answer, do let me know. Aloo Samosa is also present. Yes, yes. Favorite student, isn't it? Okay. Yes, Mishra, very good evening. Raj Nandini, how to see pre-exam. So it is already uploaded on the RBI site. Just check out, Raj Nandini. If you have your application ID and this thing, I have already shared the link in my Telegram channel. How to check it, where you have to go and download. 610, very good. All of you are getting it. Everybody is getting this answer, 610. That is the perfect answer. Very good. Janvi, Sai Arvind, Aloo Paratha, all of you are getting. Yes, Akshita, very good. Good evening. So perfect. Let us start with this now. How will you go about this question? So what is provided in your question? There are three numbers in this. Average of first and third number. Let me take those numbers as A, B, C. So what will you write for first and third number average? That is nothing but A plus C divided by 2. It is 810. Okay. Average of first and second number is 380 more than average of second and third number. So what will you write? Average of first and second number. It is 380 more than average of second and third. So B plus C divided by 2 plus 380. So what will you do from this? B by 2 will get cancelled. You are going to get A minus C value as 380 into 2. Are you all getting this? Here if you are checking A plus C value, it is 810 into 2. So what are you going to get? You can add both of the values. 2A value, that is nothing but 2 in bracket 380 plus 810. So basically you can cancel 2 value. A value you will get from this as 11190. Are you guys getting this one? Now what is asked in your question? Then find the average of all the three numbers if second number is 220 less than the third number. So basically I have calculated the first number, that is nothing but 1190. Once you are getting first number as 9910, can I calculate C value? What would be your C value? When you are calculating your C value, A minus you can calculate 660. Okay, so you can 760, which is equal to your C value. So your C value is nothing but A minus 760. So what will you get? 1190 minus 760, that is C here. So you are going to get your value as 430. Your C value will be equal to 430. Now what is said in your question? Second number is 220 lesser than the third number. So how will you calculate the second number? 220 lesser than this. So you are going to get your value as 210. Now you have to calculate average of all the three numbers. Are you guys getting this? Yes. So who is this? Sai Arvind is getting all the values perfectly. You are going to get A value as 1190, B value is 210 and C value is 430. You have to calculate average of all the three numbers. So how are you going to do it? 1190 plus 210 plus 430 divided by 3. This is how you are going to calculate your value. So what will you get in this? This is 7, 8. I think you are going to get, yes. You are going to get your value as, ma'am ji, बहुत simple solution कर दिया. Yes, you can actually convert it into equations and then it will become very simple. The question is actually easy. It is only about how you are decoding the part in this. Okay, so what are you getting? 1830 divided by 3, which is nothing but 610 would be the average here. 610 is going to be your average. Abhishek, very good evening. Everyone is getting this one? Okay, so all the information is provided. It is only about how you are representing it in the equation format. सबको समझ में आ गया ये question? कोई है जिसको doubt हो इसमें? Yes, any one of you is there who has not followed or has having any doubt? Rikan, very good evening. So I can see Mishra, Rikan, many new people are there today. So guys, do not forget to subscribe and do like the session so that every day 9 PM you will be getting the update. And yes, this will definitely help you out for this exam. We are revising all the concept before your exam. Are you guys getting this one? Okay, perfect. Can you try the next question? Age based question. एक तो question इस पे आना ही है. Definitely it is going to come. Okay, yes, can you try this one? Next question is in front of you. Next question based on ages, age based question in front of you. Let me see how many of you are going to get this one right. So yes, second question of today based on the arithmetic. So guys, again a small request from my end. If any one of your friend is preparing for the exam, do tell them also, because many of you, I really do not want you to miss out the important concept before the exam. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपके friends हो उनको बता देना, so that you will also get good competition and they will also learn many new things here. Okay, yes, thank you so much Mishra, thank you so much. Okay, yes, can you try this one? First, the question based on the ages in front of you. Pawan is saying 42, Aloo Samosa is saying 31, okay, Ivor Sin is saying 31, Arun Raj 31, so 42 or 31 guys? Yes, whether it is 42 or 31, Naveen Kumar is also saying 31, Aloo Paratha 31, very good. Divya is also getting the perfect answer, 31 is the perfect answer. 31 is the perfect answer. How are you going to do this one? Sai Arvind, Abhishek Kumar, I think everybody got it. Janhavi is also getting it. Very good. So, how are you going to do this one? Aloo Samosa, yes, he's confident also. Very good. What a confidence. All of you now please pay attention. Age of Shivam is twice that of Dharam. So, what will you write? Shivam upon Dharam, this ratio is nothing but 2:1. Okay, the ratio of age of Shivam 6 years hence to age of Dharam 8 years hence is 17:11. So what will you write? This is the present ratio here. What they have given, Shivam 6 years hence, that means 2x plus 6. And Dharam's 8 years hence, that means x plus 8, that is equal to 17/11. This value is equal to 17/11. So what will you get? Cross multiply, you are going to get 22x plus 66. That is equal to 17x plus you can calculate the value here as 136. So what will you get from this? If you are taking it on the other side, you are going to get 5x value which is equal to, yes, this is equal to your 70. Okay, so you are going to get your value as 14 here. You are going to get your x value as 14. So basically you have to calculate the x value using this equation where writing plus value is important. What value you are writing in plus, that will play very important role in this question. Are you all getting this one? Koi hai jisko doubt ho? Is there anyone having any doubt? So you are getting x value as 14. Once x value is 14 here, present age of Shivam would be 28 and that of Dharam would be 14. Okay. Now what is asked in your question, if age of Deepak, so there is third person Deepak, 6 years hence will be 4 more than age of Shivam 5 years hence, then find the present age of Deepak. Whenever you are getting these kind of complicated questions, it is very important that you always assume present age. Okay, agar aap previous value assume karoge, so the addition factor which you have to write will change and there is high possibility of you making mistake there. So it is better you assume the present age of Deepak as deep. Okay, suppose it is deep value. So what will you write here? Age of Deepak 6 years hence. So what will be his age? D plus 6. Okay, is 4 years more than Shivam 5 years hence. So what they have given? 4 years more than Shivam 5 years hence. So what will you write for Shivam? 28 plus 5. Are you guys getting this? You have to calculate Deepak's present age based on this. So what are you going to get? 9 minus 6 would be 3. 28 plus 3, that is nothing but 31 would be the perfect answer, guys. Very good. 31 is going to be the perfect answer. So language of the question seems tedious, but if you are writing it one by one, I really don't think it should be issue for any of you. Yes, so Pawan, Muthumalai, Aloo, Samosa, Aloo Paratha, Pooja, Parth, Abhishek, Janhavi, Mishra, very good performance, guys. All of you have done very well. Divya also got it. Naveen Kumar, Arun Raj, very good performance. Everybody is following this one. Priya is also getting it. 31 is going to be the perfect answer. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. Question based on profit and loss. Similar pattern question. There is high possibility that you will get in the exam also. So I really want all of you to give it a serious try here. Yes. Question based on profit and loss. Can you try this one? They have provided you the profit percentage. Now convert the given percentage into fraction. Today itself I have told you the percentage to fraction is very important part of your exam. In my foundation batch I have taken this concept today. How to convert percentage to fraction. So guys, again, if any one of you wants to learn everything from the basics, okay, so I really want all of you to check out SBI PO Fit batch, guys. The batch will cover all of your prelim as well as mains basics right from the scratch. So अगर आपको कोई भी idea नहीं हो अभी quant का, this is the perfect batch for you. It will help you out for all of your upcoming banking exams. Okay, Priya is bit late. Okay, no worries, Priya. Now you can solve this question now, which is there in front of you. Yes, can you try this one? $360. Divya is saying 360 here. Okay. Naruto is saying 360. Are you sure? Those who are saying 360, are you guys sure about your answer? Aloo paratha is also getting the same value, is it? Samosa also, very good. Okay, aloo dishes are so quick. So 360 is confident. Okay, 360. Naruto is saying x equal to 40. Okay. So tell me the final answer, Naruto. Okay, you just tell me the final answer. Divya is getting. Naveen Kumar also got it now. Very good. So everybody is able to do this one. So this pattern question was there in last 2 years of paper. Okay, similar pattern where either they will give you cost price value is same or selling price is same, or they will provide you the ratio there. Okay, Shrish is saying 360, Janhavi 360, very good performance guys. So new people here, but still they are getting very good answers, very good. So how are you going to do this? Yes. Naruto, you are getting the perfect value now. So 360 is the perfect answer guys. All of you are getting this one? Wonderful. Now all of you can pay attention here. So here what I have provided you, ratio of cost price of two articles A is to B is 2 is to 3. Okay, so let me write down for A and B. We have to draw the arrow diagram. This is 2x and this is 3x. Now what I have given, article A is sold at 11/1/9 percentage profit. Can anybody tell me which fraction is this? When you are saying 11/1/9, which fraction is this? Any one of you? So these type of percentage, if you are converting into fraction, they will become very, very simple for your exam. So never get scared if you look at these fractions. So 11 nines are 99, 99 plus 1 is 100 and 100 by 900. So it is basically 1/9 fraction. So what is given in your question? Article A is sold as 1/9 profit. So what would be the multiplication factor? 1 plus 1/9, or I can say 10/9 here. So you are going to get 20/9x as the selling price. Whereas article B is sold at a profit of 120. So for B you have to write down 3x plus 120. So what is given in your question? Ratio of selling price of A and B is already provided in your question, that is 2/3. So you have to calculate the difference between the cost price. So what is the difference between cost price? X is going to be the difference between the cost price. Value of x is going to be the difference between the cost price here. So what will you write here? Selling price of A by B. So 20/9x upon 3x plus 120. This ratio is nothing but 2 is to 3 here. So you can cancel these parts. You are going to get this as 10 here. You can cancel this one. This will make it 3. So what are you going to get in this? This is 10x and this 3 will go in the denominator, that is 9x plus 360 here. Are you guys getting this? 9x plus 360. So x value is nothing but 360, and that is what is asked in your question. What is the difference between the cost price? What is going to be the difference between their cost price? So your answer is going to be 360 here. Perfectly correct answer by all of you. Very good guys. Abhishek, Suraj, Naruto, Naveen Kumar, Sai Arvind. Simple question based on the ratio method. If you are writing the proper ratio value, no one can stop you from getting the perfect answer. Okay. Now one question based on mixture and alligation. Let me see. Sandeep is asking, ma'am, how 10/9. So Sandeep, they have given you here profit of 1/9. So original value हमेशा आपकी 100% होती है, या in terms of fraction it is 1. In terms of fraction it is 1. So 1 plus 1/9, that is nothing but 10/9. That is why I have written it as 10/9. Are you getting it, Sandeep? Is it clear? Okay. So can you try the next question that is present on your screen? Yes. Next question based on mixture and alligation. Now let me see who will be the first topper. Okay, fine, fine. I'm a bit scared at the speed of the others. Okay. Remove and replacement based concept. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Remove and replacement concept is the concept that you have to use here. So how will you, can anybody tell me what is going to be the initial ratio here? What is going to be the initial ratio here? 18. Okay, Divya is saying 18 as the answer here. Three is to 1. How did you decide that? Arun Raj is saying 3 is to 1. How will you decide that? So for that, all of you please pay attention. There is formula here. Quantity final is equal to quantity initial. 1 upon replaced quantity upon total quantity to the power number of operations. So multiple times there have been questioned directly based on the formula here. So what is the quantity final? Here they have given you the final ratio of milk is to water become 9 is to 7. So can I say the final ratio of milk? I have to write down milk value, that is going to be equal to 9 upon 9 plus 7, which is 9 by 16. I have to calculate initial quantity of the milk. So here I am going to get initial ratio of the milk. And what will you write for the replaced quantity? You are taking out 10 liter of the mixture upon total quantity is 40 liter of the milk, and you are replacing it only one time. You are going to replace it only one time here. So based on that, you are going to get quantity of the milk in your mixture. So what are you going to get? 9 by 16 multiplied by, this is nothing but 4 by 3. This ratio is nothing but 4 by 3. So what is the quantity of milk here? This is 4 4s and this is 3 3s. So quantity of the milk is 3 is to 4. Initial quantity of your milk is going to be 3 is to 4 in this. Are you guys getting this one? Everybody is getting this. Is there anyone having any doubt? Now they have given, now X liters of the mixture is withdrawn and replaced with water. In the final mixture, milk is 37.5% of its initial quantity. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. That is what is your question now. Now once you are getting the initial ratio, it is very simple to calculate the value now. Are you guys getting this one? Once you are getting this initial ratio, that is milk ratio is 3 is to 4. So यहाँ पे आपका milk is to water कितना होगा? 3 is to 4 minus 3, that is 3 is to 1. 3 is to 4 is the total value. So you are going to get your ratio as 3 is to 1 here. Everybody is getting this one? Any one of you is there who is having doubt? Yes. So what are you going to write now? Now all of you please pay attention. Here they have given you, this is the original quantity, that is 40 liter. Now in this 40 liter, I can easily say 3 is to 1 is the quantity. So what will you write? 30 liters would be milk, 10 liters would be water. Okay, now you are withdrawing 10 liters of the mixture. So here 10 liter mein again you have to distribute it. Are you guys getting this one? Again you have to distribute this 10 liter in the ratio 3 is to 1. So what are you going to get? That is 2.5. So basically 10 divided by 4 would be your value. So you are going to get 2.5. So how much milk you will remove? You will remove 7.5 liters of milk and you will remove 2.5 liters of water. Now what is given in your question? You are still removing X liters of the mixture here. You are still removing the X liters of the mixture. Now when I am removing the X liters of the mixture here, you, as I told you, this is going to be 3x minus 4 of the milk. Are you guys getting this? You are going to remove 3x minus 4 of the milk. Now what is given in your question? final mixture milk is 37.5 of its initial quantity. So what are you going to write? 30 minus 7.5 minus 3x by 4. This is going to be 37.5, that is 3 by 8 of its original quantity. So what is the original quantity? That is nothing but 30 here. Your original value is nothing but 30 liters in this. Very, very conceptual question. So you are going to enjoy it if you are understanding the concept. Otherwise you may find it tedious also. जिसको concept नहीं पता, especially अगर आपने class attend किया होगा, तो I really don't think it should be issue for you. Are you guys getting this one? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Any one of you is there who is having doubt in this? You can ask me. Yes guys, is it clear to all of you? So you are going to get, based on this you have to calculate your x value. Everybody is getting this one? So what is the value of x that you are getting? Anyone has calculated the value? Any one of you have calculated the value? 18 liters. Few of you are saying 18 liters as the value here. So you have to basically calculate the value of x in this. You have to calculate what would be the value of x here. Yes? 20 liters? No. I think you are going to get 16 liters as the value. एक बार check करो. Yes, calculate this value. You are going to get 16 liters as the value here. I'm not sure about the answer. 16 around should be the answer. Just check out the calculation once. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया क्या आप लोगों को? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट हियर? एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट हियर? यस. So it is very important that how I have written the equation in this. So if you are not getting that, then you may find it somewhat difficult. But otherwise the question is very easy. Yes, you can substitute the value and you can check it. I think 16 liters would be the answer here. Clear? Okay. Yes, perfect. Now we are going to do one small caselet based on time and work today. Okay, which is nothing but a application based DI for your exam. I really want all of you to first evaluate the values and tell me what is going to be efficiency of A, efficiency of B, C, D and E. So that is the value that you have to check here. is the answer that you are getting. Shirish, is it? I feel that 15 was the answer. While copying the values, I think I have not copied it. That is what I was recalling. So 15 is the answer, guys, not 16. 15 will be the answer here. ठीक है, ये previous question का this last option was 15. While typing I was feeling that I have not written the correct value. 15 will be the answer. इसको solve करो, you are going to get 15 as the value here. Are you guys getting this one? So that is what you have to do in the question. Aloo paratha, I am not getting your doubt. Aloo paratha, what is your doubt? 9 by 16. Guys, please try that question again, all of you, and the formula please remember it, because you know that formula is also very important. Ma'am, it is 9x by 16, not 3x by 4. Why 9x by 16, guys? Yes? Okay, here you are saying the value. Okay, so yes, let us see. Should we discuss it again? कुछ लोगों को इसमें फिर से confusion है. Okay, first you finish this DI, then we will again discuss it. Okay, few of you are having doubt in that. It is not 3x by 4, 9x by 16. Okay, we will do it again, guys. ठीक है, उसको पूरा solve करते हैं. You guys just try this DI, then again we will go for that question. Is it okay? Okay, yes. So can anybody tell me what all are the efficiencies that you are getting in A, B, C, D, E? तो यहाँ पे आपको करना है what all are the efficiencies of A, B, C, D, E. That is what you have to tell me from the question. Then we are going to do 5 questions based on that concept. Yes. ठीक है, ये DI होने के बाद फिर से एक बार वो question करते हैं. Do not worry. ठीक है. efficiency done. Efficiency is 20 is to 50 is to 45 is to 30 is to 60. Very good. Who is this? Naruto, Naveen Kumar, they are getting the exact values of the efficiency. Very good performance, guys. Very good. Question is simple. You just have to write it in the proper equation format here. Application based, based on time and work. So how are you going to do this one? Yes, all of you now please pay attention here. Let me explain it to you. So here what they have given you, there are 5 persons A, B, C, D, E. E is 200% more efficient than A. So let me write down E. 200% more than A, that means 3 times of A. 200% more means 300% here, or I can say 3 times of A. A's efficiency is 40% of the B's efficiency. यहाँ पे अभी more is not said. What they have given, 40% of B's efficiency. So what will you write? A is 0.4 of B. Are you all getting this? A efficiency is 0.4 of B here. Or if you want to write it in the ratio format, you can also write it as A by B as 4 by 10, or I can say 2 by 5. So this is going to be the efficiency. Are you all getting this? Now A alone can do a piece of work in 45 days and D alone can do a piece of work in 30 days, and they have also provided you C is 50% more efficient than D. So C is 1.5 efficient than D here. C value is 1.5 times of D. Now once you have written all these equations, I can also calculate the direct value of the efficiency. How will you calculate the efficiency? Total work is 900 units. Number of days are 45 days. So what is the meaning of efficiency? How much work is done in one day, that is known as the efficiency. How much work is done by a person in a day. So total 900 units are there. That is done in 45 days. So what would be the efficiency? 20 units per day would be the efficiency. 20 units per day would be the efficiency here. So you have calculated A efficiency. Similarly, you can calculate D efficiency as well. What will be the D efficiency? 900 units is the work upon 30. So you are going to get 30 units per day as the efficiency of D. Are you all getting this? Now you can substitute this D value in the equation. So what are you going to get? C efficiency. So C's efficiency, if I am substituting, that is equal to 45 units per day. 45 units per day would be your C efficiency. And if you know A efficiency, what would be your E value? E value will be 3 times of this, that is nothing but 60 units per day. E value would be 60 units per day. Now once you are aware about A, D, E, you can easily calculate B efficiency here. What is B efficiency? 20 divided by 0.4. So you are going to get 50 units per day as the value. Are you guys getting this? You are going to get B value as 50 units per day. Everybody is getting this? So you have calculated the perfect value in this, guys. Everybody is getting this? So what all are your A, B, C, D value? A value is 20. What is your B value? B value is 50. C value is 45. D value is 30 and E value is 60 here. So these are going to be your efficiencies of the person. Very good performance by Abhishek Kumar, then Divya, Muthumalai. All of you are getting the perfect value. Alu Samosa is getting it. Naveen Kumar, Naruto. Many of you have calculated the correct values. Are you guys getting this one? So this is how you have to. Sandeep, 300 by 100, ma'am. What are you saying? I am not getting, Sandeep, your doubt. Priya, are you getting it? Yes. Sandeep, E option is basically E. आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ substitute करना है. E value you have to just write 3 times of A. A efficiency is 20, so you have to substitute efficiency value 3 into 20. That is why I have written 60 here for E. Is it clear now? Alu, sorry, not Alu. There's Sandeep. Sandeep, is it clear? This is how you have to calculate the value. Okay. Now let us quickly move on to the first question based on the question. Yes, based on this particular data, I have written it in the tabular format. Can you try the first question in front of you? Now there are 6 questions based on this data. Let me see who all will be able to give the answer. Okay, Pawan, you are getting A, B, E. So remaining values are also simple, Pawan. D की value आप directly निकाल सकते हो based on the given value. 200, yes. Sandeep, you are right. 200% more efficient is written. ठीक है, more जब होगा you have to add it with 100. I think you are getting confused in that. So original is considered as 100. Above that you have to take 200. So that will make it 300% in that question. Okay. 18.5. I got the first answer for the question by Naveen Kumar. Okay. 18.5. Arun Raj is getting D option. 13.5. What about others? Okay, so what is the value of E? There might be mistake. Okay, so 60 is the correct value, right? E value is 60 only, right? What is the value of E? E value is 60. So just check out your value once. Abhishek, Pooja is getting 13.5. Jannavi is also getting it. Very good, guys. 13.5. DA is getting it. Sham, Naveen Kumar, Pawan. Okay, so those who are saying E value as 40. How come it is 40, guys? Just check here. What are you getting? This is nothing but 3 times of A. A की efficiency आपकी 20 है. So E value will be 20 into 360. That is what is written here. 60 units per day. Why are you saying 40? Naveen Kumar. Yes, क्या confusion हो रहा है? Yes, what is the confusion going on? So that is what is written in the question. This value is 60 only, right? I don't know why you are getting confused. Okay. Now let us check the value here. What is given in your question? Find in how many days 90% of the work will be completed by A and B, where B is working with 80% of his usual efficiency. So what is A's efficiency? Normal efficiency 20, and B is working with 80% of the efficiency, that is 0.8 of 50 here. So that is nothing but 40 units in this case. Now what is your total work? Total work, you are aware, it is 900 units. So how many days they are going to take? 900 divided by 60 here. 900 divided by 60 will be your value. So what are you going to get in this? Yes, E value is 60 only, right? So I don't know what confusion is going on. So if find in how many days 90% of that work. So basically जो आपका work है, that is 90 units. 90% of the work, that means you have to take 90% of the value. It is completed by A and B. So you have to calculate the value based on this. This is nothing but 0.9. 0.9 multiplied by 15, which is nothing but you are going to get your value as 13.5 in this. Everybody is getting this. You have to take 90% of the work. Okay, Karthik is getting it, Naveen Kumar got it, Sandeep got it. So 13.5 will be the perfect answer. Okay guys, do not get confused. Table mein it is properly written over here. Okay, yes, very good. Let us quickly move on to the next part. 200% more means the ratio is 3:1. Yes, you are right. 3:1 is going to be the ratio there. 3:1 will be the ratio there. Okay, can you try this one? Next question in front of you now, based on the same thing. Okay, understood, right? Okay, fine. Can you try this one? How are you going to do this question? Yes. Divya is saying 144. Aloo samosa 144. Arun Raj is also getting it. Karthik, Nani, very good. Pawan 144. Very good, guys. 144 is the, yes, it is very impactful. Yes, though it looks easy, but actually conceptually it is very important. If you, even if you miss one value, you are not going to get the answer. Kamal, Naveen Kumar, Priya, Alu Samosa, very good performance, guys. 144 is the perfect answer. I hope all of you are getting it. 144 is the perfect answer. How are you going to do this? Find the difference between units of work done by C alone and E alone in 12 days. So what part of the work will be done by C alone? 45 plus E alone, that is nothing but 60 in 12 days. So you have to multiply it by T. If C is working with 60% of its efficiency, so basically 45 multiplied by 0.6. Let me write it here, 45 multiplied by 0.6, and E is working with 65% of his usual efficiency. So 65% of 60 here. Now you have to calculate how much part of the work is done. So you have to multiply this by 12. You have to multiply this value by 12. Are you guys getting this one? Simple multiplication value is what you have to calculate in this. You are going to get 144 units as the perfect answer. Everybody is getting this one. So what will you get? This is 27. And if you are multiplying this value here, I think you are going to get 39. So 39 plus this multiplied by 12, that is nothing but you are going to get your value as 144. Everybody is getting this one? Kisi ko koi doubt? Is there anyone having any doubt in this? Yes? Okay, difference in the units. ठीक है. Difference लेना है आपको. यहाँ पे difference is what you have to calculate. Yes, absolute value will be 144. Okay, yes guys, you have to take the difference, इसको subtract करो, you are going to get your value. Simple one. अगर आपने initial values calculate कर लिया and you have understood the concept, I really don't think anything is difficult in this. Akshita, no worries, you can watch the recorded part. Yes, you can watch the recorded part of the missed session. Now you can try this one. Okay, yes, can you try this one? In how many days whole work will be completed by B, C and D if they are working together? So how much time will be taken by B, C and D if they are working together? Can you tell me what would be the value? Okay, Chandrasekhar is saying repeat ma'am. Okay. So Chandrasekhar, here basically they have asked you find the difference in the work done by C alone. Now how you have to calculate work by C here? C is working with 60% of his efficiency. That is why I have written 60% of 45. So you have to calculate 60%, that is 0.6 of 45. You have to calculate the difference, that is why you have to write minus. Then you have E is working with 65% of the efficiency. Are you getting this one? Chandrasekhar, are you getting this? So it is 65% of C's efficiency, that is nothing but 60 here. So you have to calculate both of the values and that is nothing but you are going to get 144 as the value. Clear now? Okay. What is the answer for this one? I think many of you have already calculated 7 1 by 5. 7.2 or 7 1 by 5 is the perfect answer, guys. Very good. Aloo paratha, Chandrasekhar is getting it. Very good. Now Muthumalai, is it clear? Okay, very good. Anyone else is having any doubt? Aloo paratha is also getting it. How will you do this one? Pooja is also saying 71 by 5. So how will you do this one? Find in how many days whole work. Now you are aware how much is your whole work. They have already provided you the value in the question. Total work is 900 units. So आपको ये use करना है. 900 units is your work. It is completed by B, C, D if they are working together. So B, C, D, that means you have to take the total in this. That is nothing but if 50 plus 30 180, sorry 80 plus 40, that is nothing but 125. Now बहुत सारे लोगों को इसमें doubt होता है ma'am, how to convert this into fractional part. So that is the reason I want to discuss this in detail. Okay, now all of you please pay attention. Whenever you are getting fraction like this, you are going to get multiple questions of this kind. Divide this by 25. 25 5s are. Okay, and what about this one? 25 3s are 75 and 25 6s are. So you are going to get 36 by 5 as the value. Are you guys getting this one? Now when you are getting these type of fraction, you have to write 5 7s are 35. How much is remaining? 1 is remaining, so that will make it 7 1 by 5. So either you can write it as 7.2 or you can write it as 7 1 by 5 days. Both of the values are going to be same. Both of your values are going to be same here. Everybody is following this one? Is there anyone having any doubt? Everybody is clear with this part? So 7 1 by 5 is going to be the perfect answer for the question here. Okay. Let us move on to the last question. Now this is going to be interesting one. Alternative work kind of a concept here. Let me see how many of you are going to do this one. Yes. Bit conceptual question. So before you tell any value, make sure you are checking it 2 times, guys. Okay. How will you do this one? Yes, guys. Should I tell you how you have to go about it? Alu Paratha is saying E option. Naveen Kumar E. Divya is saying C option. (15) 1 by 12. Evor Sin is saying 21 1 by 2. Nani is saying C option. E option. Okay, I am getting multiple answers by all of you. C or E? Few of you are saying C, few of you are saying E. Alternative work concept is what you have to revise for this one. Parth is saying E, Parth is, Priya is saying C again. Okay. Should I discuss, guys? Okay, now all of you please pay attention. Please pay 100% of your attention now. Parth is saying E option. Kamal is saying E option. Let us see how we have to do this one. So what I have given, ACE starts working alternatively such that E will be working on first day followed by A and C. So first day E will be there, second day A and C would be there. Okay, followed by A and C, that means second day A would be there, third day C would be there. So like this, E, A, C. They are working alternatively, all of them. E will be first one, second one is A, third one is C here. Find how many days 70% of the total work will be completed. Now you are aware total work is 900 units. They are finishing 70% of the work, which is nothing but 630 here. Which is nothing but 630 here. Now how will you calculate E efficiency? If I am talking about their efficiency, E value is 60. What is A value here? 20. And third day C value is 45 units. So basically you have to write down total value, which is 125 units is completed in 3 days. 125 units are completed in 3 days. That is what is mentioned in your question. So how are you going to do this one? Okay. So this is how you have to, okay. So ESIC MTS results are out. Okay, fine. So here 125 units are done in 3 days over here. How much is the work that you have to check? 630 work is what you have to check here. So basically I have to take the nearest multiple of this value. So what would be the value? You can observe here 125, if you are taking 125 3za or 4za. Yes, so if you are taking 125 4za, you are going to get your value as, yes, it is going to be 500 here. Next value is going to be 500. After that it is going to be again 125 would be added, so that will make it 625. You want it 6 near to this, that means 625 would be the value. Are you guys following? Everybody is following this one. So basically what I have to do, I have to write down 125 table such that nearest value to 630 is what I have to calculate. Now if you are multiplying this by 5, you are going to get 625 as the nearest value. So I just wanted to tell you how you can do it. So manually you can check for 4, then 3 and then check for the nearest value. Now as you have calculated 125 fives, you are multiplying this by 5. So multiply this also by 5 here. That will make it 15 days. That will make your value as 15 days in this. Everybody is getting this? Now what is the remaining part? Remaining part will be only 5 units. 5 units are remaining now. Now when 5 units are remaining, who will come now? E will come because the first person is E. So how many days he will take now? 5 divided by 60, or I can say 1 by 12. So how many total days would be taken? 15. 1 by 12 would be the perfect answer. 15 1 by 12 would be the perfect answer. Everybody is getting this one? So basically you have to calculate the repetitive pattern. Then you have to check how many days are that particular pattern is being followed. And then you have to calculate the value. Is this part clear with everyone? Yes, सबको ये समझ में आ गया? Yes, any one of you is there who is having doubt? Clear, right? Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the value in the question. E option is the perfect one. Okay, last question of this. Can you try this one quickly? Then we are going to wrap up the DI section. Again, we will do 1 or 2 questions based on arithmetic and we will finish the session. Okay, can you try this one quickly? Yes guys, can you try this one now? Udit has also joined. Okay. $105 or 130? Why different answers? 105, is it? Muthu Malai is saying 105. Priya is also saying 105. Naruto 130. Okay. Few of you are getting 105. Few of you are getting 130, guys. Why is it so? Can you check once? You are making some small mistake. Okay. What do you have to do in this? Work completed by D alone in 14 days. Okay, work completed by D alone in 14 days, that is 30 multiplied by 14, is what percentage of the work completed by B alone in 8 days? So B alone in 8 days, that is 50 multiplied by 8. This is the value that you have to calculate. Cancel these values. Okay, now none of the values is further divisible. You can write 2 4s are 2 7s are. This is 21 by 20. Multiplied by 100. So you are going to get 105% as the perfect answer. Why are you making mistake in this? Yes, I don't know. 105% would be the perfect answer, guys. Simple question based on the efficiency, but there were lot of concept involved in the question. Okay, now one question based on the quantity comparison. Last question based on the quantity comparison. Can you quickly try this one? Mensuration based question. So as I had promised you, we are going to cover all of the topics in this. Can you try this one quickly? Okay, you made, okay, you have written the reverse value. Fine, fine. Can you try this one now? Last question of today, guys. You have last 1 minute to do it. A option. Kamal is saying A option. How will you do this? So, okay, all of you now please pay attention. Abhishek is saying 1 is greater than 2. Okay, few of you are saying B option. Muthu Malai is saying B option. Evodes in is also saying B option. Let us see now. Square of side 7 by 2 meter is bent to form a circle. Whenever you are getting bending concept, means they are talking about circumference here. I hope all of you are getting it. You are going to get the circumference value in this. So what will you write? 4 multiplied by 7 by 2, which is equal to 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 upon multiplied by r value. So based on this, you are going to get your r value in the question. Are you guys getting this? So what would be the value here? You can simply calculate the value. So 7 by 2 meter, that is nothing but 4 into 7 by 2. Now you can form a circle which is 2 pi r. So आपका कुछ exact value इसमें नहीं आएगा. I think you can cancel out the values. This is going to be 7 square by 22 would be your r value. So now you have to calculate what is the area of the circle. How will you calculate the area of the circle? Area is nothing but pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square, that is 49 by 22 and 49 by 22. Are you guys getting this? 22 will get cancelled. Now you are going to get approximate fractional value in this, which is 49 square upon 22 into 7. Are you guys getting this one? And what about the second one? Circle, cylinder of a height 7 meter and radius 50 centimeter. What would be the curved surface area of the cylinder? Now you can see that here the area is provided in meter. So you have to convert this base radius also into meter, guys. So what is the curved surface area? 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7. R value is nothing but 0.5 meter multiplied by h. That is nothing but 7. I don't know how many of you have converted. So you are going to get your value as 22 in the second case. Approximately second case value you are going to get as 22 in this. Everybody is getting this one? Now you can calculate the approximate value. I think iska answer somewhere around 15 would be the value. Okay, just check out what value you are getting in this. So how can you do the approximation? 22 sevens are, you can calculate 154. Okay, and this numerator is nothing but 15 to 50. So approximately you can see what value you are going to get. So if you are taking this one 53s are, this will become approximately 16 here. Approximately 16 would be your quantity 1. Quantity 2 is going to be 22. So quantity 2 will be more than quantity 1. Quantity 2 will be more than quantity 1 is the perfect answer. Are you all following this one? So this is how you have to calculate the value. Now 2 questions for your homework. This is the first question and this is the next question. I want all of you to give it a try. You can mention your answer in the YouTube comment section. I will check it and I will mention the answer. Tomorrow again we will continue this series, guys. I hope all of you must have understood the concept here. ठीक है, allegation का question कल फिर से एक बार करेंगे. ठीक है, Muthumalai is having doubt in that. Tomorrow again we will discuss. I just forgot it after the DI. We will do it again. Fine. So thank you so much, guys. Again, I would like to tell you, especially those who want to work upon their basics, we have a really wonderful batch for all of you. That is SBI Pure Fit batch, which will cover your prelim and mains basics both. You will also get live practice sessions, strategy sessions by expert in this. Along with that, you will also get mock test over here. And if you are using my name, that is PRIYANKA as the code, I think someone was asking, Aloo Paratha or Aloo Samosa was asking about it. So you are going to get maximum discount on Oliveboard. So anything you are checking, guys, on Oliveboard, do try this one to check the maximum discount. Okay, 2199 would be the price. Similar batch is there for SBI Clerk as well, in which we are going to cover prelim and mains basics both. The price is also very less, 1799 if you are using my name as the code here. Okay, and both of the batches are included in your super elite package. Now especially those who are new, super elite package is the best package of Oliveboard. It will give you access of multiple courses on the Oliveboard. So इसमें कोई एक course आपको नहीं मिलेगा. You will get SBI Pure Fit batch, SBI Clerk Fit batch, RRB Pure Fit batch. All of the batches are there in the same package. So इसके बाद it is like literally you need not purchase anything after super elite. Next 6 months whatever courses will be up on Oliveboard, you can watch them for free in the price. And you are going to get prelim mock test, mains mock test, sectional test. You will also get LPS, doubt clearing session. Everything is there in the same package. Okay, so I want all of you to check out. If you are having any query, definitely you can approach me. And as I had told you, Quant Made Easy by Priyanka ma'am is the name of my channel. And you can join it to get the PDF of the session. Okay, So thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you must have enjoyed this session. So do not forget to subscribe and like to the channel. Okay, bye bye guys, take care all of you. See you guys tomorrow at the same time. Okay, bye bye.